She won't respect you until you break her. And I don't mean break her heart. I mean break her games, break her control, and break her delusion that she can manipulate a real man. There's a reason why the strongest men in history followed. One law in love. Never let her ego grow bigger than her respect for you. A Stoic old man once told me, if you don't break her games early, she'll break your soul slowly. You're about to learn why soft men suffer, why good men get ghosted, and how Stoic discipline, not emotion, makes her chase you like an animal in heat. This isn't pickup. This isn't red pill. This is Stoic warfare. And once you understand what I'm about to tell you, you will never look at women the same again. Before we dive in, if you've ever been lied to, led on or ghosted, hit that like button and subscribe right now. This is for men who've been played and are ready to play life at a higher level. Why Stoic men don't chase. They challenge. Women are emotionally wired. When they test you, they're not asking, do you love me? They're asking, can I respect you? Stoic men don't over-explain. They don't text back emotionally. The old man said, when she gives you drama, don't give her energy. Give her silence. Women feel your self-control more than your words. In silence, her ego breaks. Composure, her respect grows. Most men try to talk their way into her heart. Stoic men make her feel his value through mystery. If you're still texting her paragraphs after she disrespects you, you're the one giving her power. Comment "Silent King" if you understand. Break her ego, not her heart. Ego is her armor. Women test men not to destroy them, but to separate the weak from the powerful. A Stoic man knows, when she tries to control the dynamic, she's secretly asking to be D. The old man whispered, break her ego early, or she'll spend the rest of the relationship breaking your confidence. You break her ego by refusing to overreact, walking away when she expects you to beg, setting boundaries without explanation. The paradox. When you break her ego, she feels safe. When you appease it, she feels contempt. Drop A in the comments if you've ever watched a girl fall harder for you the moment you stopped reacting. The 3 laws of Stoic dominance in modern dating. Law 1. The law of emotional Aikido. Don't block her energy. Redirect it with calm presence. When she escalates, you slow down. When she expects fire, give her ice. Law 2. The law of attention scarcity. Your time is oxygen. Starve her of it when she's disrespectful. She'll suffocate in silence until she comes crawling back to feel your fire. Law 3. The law of silent boundaries. Don't argue. Don't debate. Just stop showing up in the same way. Stop investing. Stop calling. Let her ego talk to the wall. Pro tip from the old man. If your presence doesn't teach her, your absence will. When to walk away and never look back. Not all women deserve your masculine presence. The more you level up, the more feminine games will look like child's play. The Stoic man doesn't beg. He doesn't chase. He observes, decides, and exits without announcement. The old man said, leave quietly. Let your absence echo louder than any goodbye. If you've ever walked away and she came back, like this video, subscribe for more of this savage old man wisdom. The moment you break her, Here's what she'll do. She'll cry. She'll test harder. She'll try to punish you with distance. Don't fold, don't react. Because right after the chaos comes the shift. Her voice softens. Her ego deflates. And for the first time, she respects the man, not just the attention. The old man smiled and said, "She'll surrender to the man who never needed her surrender. The Stoic way to be loved like a king." If you take one thing away from this entire video, let it be this. A woman falls for you when you break her assumptions, not when you try to win her approval. This isn't about war. It's about discipline. This isn't about hurting her. It's about leading her. The Stoic man doesn't break her out of anger. He breaks her ego out of purpose. And from that broken illusion, a real connection begins. If this hit deep, slam the like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because I've got more Stoic fire coming. Comment, "I am him," below if you're done playing by her rules, and ready to write your own.